Hi, myself Veerabadra. Today we are discussing about multi-tier architecture. What is multi-tier architecture? A multi-tier architecture is a software architecture designed that divides an application into different layers or tiers, each responsible for specific functionality. This architecture is commonly used in large-scale applications as it allows for better scalability, flexibility, and maintenance. This separation of concerns allow each tier to be developed, tested, and developed independently, making it easier to maintain and update the application over time. Additionally, the multi-tier architecture allows for better scalability and fault tolerance by allowing each tier to be scaled separately based on its specific requirements. Three-tier architecture, we can see the figure. Here is an query or report analysis, data mining, OLAP server, and we can see a data marts, data warehouse, monitoring, operational database, external sources. There are three tiers: are bottom tier, middle tier, top tier. What is bottom tier? The bottom tier is a warehouse database server that is almost always a relational database system. Backend tools and utilities are used to feed data into bottom tier from operational databases or other external sources. In bottom tier, using the application program interface, data is extracted from operational and external sources. This these tools and utilities perform data extraction, cleaning, and transformation. Example, to merge similar data from different sources into a unified format, as well as load and refresh functions to update the data warehouse. Bottom tier contains it contains data warehouse, metadata response metadata repository, data marts, monitoring and administrating. What is data warehouse? It is an optimized form of operational database contain only relevant information and provides fast access to data. A subject oriented example, data related to all the department of an organization. Integrated, here we can see the warehouse, different views of a data a b c, it goes to warehouse and it gives the single unified view. There are different views of in it, convert into a single view. Metadata repository, it figure out that was available in data warehouse. It contains structure of data warehouse, data names and definitions, source of extracted data, algorithm used for data cleaning purpose, sequence of transformations applied on data related to system performance. These are included in the metadata. Data marts. What is data marts? Subset of data warehouse contain only small slices of data warehouse. For example, data pertaining to the single department. Two types of data marts: dependent, independent. It is dependent and independent. Source directly from data warehouse is a dependent. sourced from one or more data sources is independent. Monitoring and administration. The things included in monitoring and administration are data refreshment, data source synchronization, register recovery, managing access control and security, manage data growth, database performance, controlling the number and range of queries, limiting the size of data warehouse, limiting the size of data warehouse. We can see the figure here. Monitoring administration, metadata responsibility goes to data warehouse and it gives to data marts. Middle tier. What is middle tier? The middle tier is an OLAP server that is typically implemented using either a relational OLP model, that is an extended relational DBMS that maps operations from standard data to standard data, or a multidimensional OLP model that is a special purpose server that directly implements multidimensional data and operations. OLP server models come in three different categories including ROLAP, MOLAP. What is ROLAP? A relational database is not converted into a multidimensional database. Rather, a relational database is actively broken down into several dimensions as part of relational online analytical processing. This is used when everything that is contained in the repository is the relational database system. What is MOLAP? A different type of online analytical processing called multidimensional online analytical processing includes directories and catalogs that are immediately integrated into its multidimensional database system. This is used when all that is contained in the repository is the multidimensional database system. Here it gives information about a different type of online analytical processing called multidimensional online. Analytical processing includes directories and catalogs that are immediately integrated into its multidimensional database system. Top tier front-end tools. It is front-end client layer, query and reporting tools. Reporting tools gives the production reporting tools and report writers. It is managed query tools, point and click creation of SQL used in customer mailing list. Analysis tools, prepare charts based on analysis. Data mining tools, mining knowledge, discover hidden pieces of information, new useful pattern. At last, the advantages. What are the advantages? Scalability, better performance, modularity, security, easier maintenance. What is scalability? Various components can be added, deleted, or updated in accordance with the data warehouse shifting needs and specification. What is better performance? Several layers enable parallel and efficient processing, which enhance performance and reaction time. The architecture support modular design, which facilitates the creation, testing, and deployment of separate components are called modularity. What is security? The data warehouse overall security can be improved by applying various security measures to various layers. What is easier maintenance? It is an advantage of it is one of the advantage easier maintenance. Maintenance is simple because individual components can be updated or maintained without affecting the data warehouse as whole. This is an data warehouse. This is Thank you.